Most Level 2 EV chargers top out at 48 amps. Some push 50. And then there's this, the Autel MaxiCharger 80 amp. It charges up to 14 times faster than a standard outlet, adds 70 miles of range every single hour, and uses actual AI to manage your charging automatically. Today, I'm putting it head-to-head against every other Level 2 charger on the market. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly whether this is the charger your garage has been waiting for, or whether you can save money going standard.
Quick one before we dive in. If you're new here, this channel is your home for honest EV gear comparisons and reviews. No paid promotions, no fluff, just real-world testing. Hit subscribe and the bell so you catch every new video. All the links I mentioned today are in the description below. Now, let's get into the matchup.
Here's how this works. I'm going to compare the Autel MaxiCharger 80A against the typical Level 2 charger you'll find in the $300 to $500 range, the kind most EV owners buy. We're going head-to-head across 5 categories: charging speed, smart features, build quality and safety, installation, and warranty. At the end, I'll tell you straight who wins and who it's actually right for. Let's go!
Round 1. Raw charging speed. Most Level 2 chargers on the market deliver 32 to 50 amps. That gets you around 25 to 38 miles of range per hour. Solid. Functional, gets the job done overnight. The Autel MaxiCharger 80A delivers 80 amps at 19.2 kilowatts. That's 70 miles of range added every hour. You're talking a near-empty large battery EV, like a Rivian or a Chevy Silverado EV, going from low to full in a few hours instead of overnight. For anyone with a long-range EV, a large battery pack, or a busy household with 2 EVs sharing one charger, this gap is not small. It's transformational. Round 1 winner, Autel MaxiCharger 80A, by a significant margin.
Round 2. Smart features. Most Level 2 chargers in this price range offer Wi-Fi connectivity and a basic app. Schedule charging, check your session, standard stuff. That's fine. The Autel 80A runs on an AI-integrated cloud platform. It doesn't just let you schedule charging. It learns your utility's time of use rates and automatically optimizes when and how fast it charges to minimize your electricity bill. It connects via dual network Wi-Fi plus Wi-Sun. That's a mesh networking protocol designed for 99.9% uptime. Automatic over-the-air updates, remote locking, real-time energy alerts. This is a commercial-grade smart charging system in a home charger body. Round 2 winner, Autel MaxiCharger 80A. Not even close.
Round 3. Build quality and safety. A good Level 2 charger is CSA and UL certified, NEMA 4 rated for outdoor use, and has basic overcurrent protection. The Autel ticks all of those boxes, and adds more. It's engineered for a 10-year operational lifespan, with internal temperature monitoring and a flame-retardant enclosure. It has tamper-resistant screws, plus remote locking for theft protection, a feature almost no home charger at any price point offers. And it's rebate-ready, eligible for US federal rebates, state incentives, and tax credits. That means money back in your pocket just for buying it. Round 3 winner, Autel MaxiCharger 80A.
Round 4. Installation. Most standard Level 2 chargers install on a 60-amp circuit. Some offer a NEMA 1450 plug-in option for DIY setup. Flexible and accessible. The Autel 80A is hardwired and requires a 100-amp dedicated circuit for full performance. That means a licensed electrician. No DIY on this one. One-click configuration gets the charger itself set up in about 10 minutes once wired, but the electrical work is a real installation project. If your panel can handle it, it's worth it. If you're renting or have an older panel, check your setup first. This is the one round where a standard charger has an advantage. Easier install, lower electrical upgrade cost. Round 4 winner, typical Level 2. For simplicity, Autel wins on power if your panel is ready. Round 5. Warranty and long-term support. Most Level 2 chargers in this category come with a 3-year warranty. That's the industry standard, and it's reasonable. The Autel MaxiCharger 80A comes with a 5-year warranty, plus 24/7 expert support from Autel's own team, not a third-party call center. Combined with automatic OTA updates and a 10-year engineered lifespan, this charger is built to outlast the competition by years. When you're making a permanent installation on your home, that long-term commitment from the manufacturer matters. Round 5 winner? Autel MaxiCharger 80A. Final score? Autel MaxiCharger 80A wins 4 out of 5 rounds. The only category a standard charger beats it? Installation simplicity. And that's only relevant if your electrical panel isn't ready for a 100-amp circuit. Here's who this charger is built for. If you drive a long-range EV with a large battery, if you have 2 EVs in the household, if you want to future-proof your setup for the next decade, or if you want commercial-grade smart charging at home, the Autel 80A is in a different league. It's not just the best Level 2 charger I've tested. It's the one I'd install in my own garage today. And if you're on a tighter budget or just need solid overnight charging for a standard EV, a quality 48-amp charger does the job. But if you can swing the install, the Autel 80A is the last home charger you'll ever need to buy.
The Autel MaxiCharger 80A is linked in the description below. That's my affiliate link. Same price on Amazon, and it helps keep this channel going at 0 extra cost to you. Check the current price down there and look for any active rebates in your state. This charger qualifies for a lot of them. Drop your EV model in the comments. I want to know what you're driving and whether you're considering the upgrade. If this comparison helped you make a decision, a thumbs up takes 2 seconds, and it helps more EV drivers find this video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, you know what to do. See you in the next one.